Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chessmint in PC, updated. Open your browser, sign into Chessmint, link your wallet, and enable desktop permissions to allow minting and transfers. Choose a project, review mint price and gas estimates, then approve the transaction in your wallet. Monitor the mint status and save your token ID. If errors occur, retry after clearing cache or switching networks, and consult the community for specific project tips. Start by installing a reliable wallet extension and securing your seed phrase in a safe, offline location. Connect the wallet to Chessmint and confirm the correct network to avoid failed transactions. Set up a hardware wallet if you plan larger mints or long-term holdings for extra security. Limit approvals and revoke unused permissions regularly. Keep software updated and avoid public Wi-Fi when signing transactions to reduce risk. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for relaxing reads while you wait for mints, and it fits nicely on a desk next to your PC. Check the description for the link and other deals. I think you will enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Manage gas by checking current network congestion and selecting an appropriate speed to balance cost and success. When transactions fail, inspect the transaction hash in your wallet and use the mempool to see pending status before resubmitting. Use nonces carefully to prevent replacement errors and avoid multiple simultaneous mints from the same wallet. Keep detailed records like screenshots of confirmations to help resolve any issues with projects or explorers quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.